As a result of the astronauts going up in space and spending time in the space station, one of the interesting things we found out is that the astronauts are affected, especially in the area of what's called bone loss. Here on Earth, because gravity is pulling you down, you have a constant force on your bones. But in microgravity, you don't have that force pulling down on you. So what we've noticed is astronauts lose what's called bone mass. And they lose about 1% bone mass per month. Now, the reason that's a concern is if you think of what the bones do, the bones help keep you together. So if your bone becomes brittle, then it's easy to break. So if anyone's ever broken their arm or leg, you know that you really can't do much with that. It hampers what you can do with regards to playing sports or anything else. So think about a mission where you're going to have astronauts go to another planet. If their bone becomes brittle, then they won't be able to do their jobs. So one of the things we do in a program we call our human research program is we try to study and understand what happens to the human physiology, what happens to an astronaut's body when they're in a state of free fall.